Namaste. My name is Simran Rahil. I'm a counseling psychologist and a career mentor. Today I'm going to speak about the future of jobs and one career in detail. According to WEF 2020 report, by 2025, 85 million jobs may be displaced by a shift in the division of labor between machines and humans, while 97 million new roles may emerge that are more adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithm. So this is a good news. Since the future of work has already arrived, a large majority of employers are set to rapidly digitalize working processes, including a significant expansion of remote work. We have already seen in the changes that has happened post-pandemic. We have seen the economic recession. We have seen that many individuals have lost their jobs and many more are still at risk due to the fast changes happening. Since there is a division of labor between human and the machines, we need to learn what skills are required for the future jobs. We have to think globally for socio-economic development. And according to WEF 2020 report, we have all the tools to unleash the human potential. Today we need to upskill and reskill ourselves so that the future jobs are secured and we can sustain the lives and livelihoods of people. So the skill requirement for future that employers are looking for, the topmost skills are analytical thinking, innovation, complex problem solving, critical thinking and analysis, creativity, originality and initiative, active learning and learning strategies, reasoning, problem solving and ideation, emotional intelligence, leadership and social influence, persuasion and negotiation, skills of resilience, stress, tolerance and flexibility, digital skills, technology design and programming, service orientation, technology use, monitoring and programming and controlling, attention to the details and trustworthiness, quality control and safety awareness. These skills were already present since our ancestors' time, but this time we have to be more focused in developing all these skills so that we can fit in the new emerging roles of the jobs which are coming. And the most important thing, since the human race is moving more rapidly towards the digitalization and innovation, what a student of future needs to learn is to learn about the digital skills, because every sector will be requiring this. And these skills are cloud computing, big data analysis, text, image, and voice processing, encryption and cyber security, artificial intelligence, VR and AR, Internet of Things and connected devices, distributed ledger technology, blockchain, power storage and generation. Online learning and training is on the rise for personal development courses, e-learning, learning of things online is also on rise. In India, basically we have 5 sectors on which the socio-economic development of India is based. These sectors are healthcare sector, education sector, transportation sector, tourism, and construction. All these 5 sectors are going to have new roles, new type of jobs, all based on the skills which I just now mentioned. And the good news is that each and every one can learn these skills and enhance if they are proactively involved. So the new job roles in IT sector are VFX artist, computer vision engineer, wireless network specialist, embedded system programmer, data scientist, data architect, AI research scientist, RPA developer, language processing specialist, deployment engineer, 3D modeling engineer, 3D designer, cloud architect, migration engineer, Android iOS app developer, digital marketing. In the automotive sector, automobile analytic engineer, 3D printing technician, machine learning based vehicle cybersecurity expert, sustainability integration expert. Coming to textiles and apparel, IT process engineer, e-textile specialist, environment specialist, PLC maintenance specialist, apparel data analyst and scientist. Coming to security sector, we have cyber security specialist, credit analysis, robot programmer, blockchain architect, process modeler expert. In the retail sector, we have customer experience leader, digital imaging leader, IT process modeler, digital marketing specialist, retail data analyst. So all these jobs are going to be our future jobs of India. Coming to health sector, we know that according to a report, we require 1.54 million additional doctors and 2.4 million nurses by 2025 to meet the growing demands for healthcare. Now, in healthcare and wellness industries, the key emerging trends are telemedicines, mobile health apps, all startup programs like apps like Mobi, WebTech, Mobisoft Infotech, PeerBits. All these apps, they facilitate easy remote diagnosis and treatment through diseases and drug intake tracking with analysis. Many hospitals like Apollo and AIIMS have adopted telemedicine services. So telemedicine market in India is expected to rise by 20%. Medical tourism is in increased demand. Many people across the globe, they come to India for treatment. So medical tourism is on rise. In the education sector, the emerging trends are, like it is said that in one of the report in World Economic Forum, that in next 10 years, India is going to be the most favorite and popular education spot for the students all over the world. Due to the increased use of big data to analyze student information and customize online content, there is an increase in use of technology in education sector. So digital platform weaving path for MOOCs such as edX, Udemy, Coursera, Swayam. Swayam is Ministry of HRD's platform where online courses are provided and offered by premium institutions like IIT and IIMs. So with the heightened internet penetration, mobile education is increasing. Gamification and simulation based teaching learning ecosystem is emerging through augmented reality, virtual reality, Google Cardboard, Microsoft HoloLens, and Eon Reality. So basically, education sector is going to boom in next 10 years. Coming to construction, key emerging trends in construction is IoT, that increased use of IoT devices in smart building for collecting and analyzing data from sensors to understand the signals and patterns. Building information modeling, Indian firms such as SCC and Tata Project have initiated the use of building information modeling to establish transparencies in designs, costing and progress visualization. To improve on-site monitoring of materials, labor and equipment productivity. Use of building information modeling by Nagpur Metro Railway Corporation and IBIS Hotel Chennai has been done. In construction, robotics are playing a very good role. And there are other trends which are happening, like we have smart city missions, green infrastructure. All these are going to involve technology. Coming to transportation and logistic in India, the key emerging trends are augmented reality is getting used in warehouse planning, pick and pack services, last mile delivery, and then IoT is enabling the real-time integration of data across supply chain partners for real-time tracking. Robotics and augmented guided vehicles are already solving picking and sorting challenges in the warehouses. Social media and mobile applications are being used to generate one-on-one interaction with customers to obtain feedback and to provide customer services. So mobile ride sharing application leverages by users to carpool. Big data analytics is being leveraged for long-term demand forecast. So they are used in transportation, fleet capacity optimization, planning and yield management. Government initiatives such as Bharatmala, Setu Bharatam, Sagarmala, Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor and Western Dedicated Freight Corridor will significantly fasten and organize the movement of freight traffic. So transportation company is going to be booming in next 10 years with the help of e-commerce marketing, third-party logistic experiencing and GST implementation. Coming to tourism and hospitality sector. So key emerging trend in India is again hotels and multiplexes are including amenities like augmented realities to allow tourists to engage in a close to real life experience through multimedia resources. Big data is being used by the industry, hospitality industries, and then companies have started using private blockchain to handle internal processes and managing distribution of hotel and restaurant inventory. As already told that India is an emerging as a preferred destination for medical tourism. It offers advanced facilities, skilled doctor and low cost of treatment to foreign clients. Coming to e-tourist visa launched by Government of India has resulted in increase in the number of tourist visas issued in the country to the large extent. So the arrivals through e-visa have increased. All these approaches are going to emerge new roles in India. So India is going to be blooming market for future jobs. But all we need is to develop skills, to reskill and upskills. Especially digital skills are required in every sector. So today we are going to speak about one of the job that I've discussed is VXF artist. So today I'll be talking about VFX artist. VFX means visual effects. VFX artists are responsible for creating visual effects or special effects through computer generated animations on screens in theaters or at home. And they actually, it refers to enhancing a video project shot with live actions by changing the environment or by changing any element in the environment to create completely new videos. We have seen these kinds of special effects in animated movies, in normal movies, also Hollywood as well as the Bollywood movies. These special effects are nowadays has become an essential part of media, and in today's world where the digital world has almost blended into the real world, this VFX artist is a booming job opportunity. VFX is a booming industry with amazing and well-paid job opportunities. India is one of the leading name in the world market in creating VFX artists. So we know that there is a heightened consumption of digital media such as movies and shows due to widespread and easy availability has made this VFX job so in demand. It is also in great use in advertisement and e-commerce website. Now we are going to learn what is required to become an VFX artist. What are the skills required? What are the courses required? And what is the course duration? What type of fees are required? And what is in the course syllabus? So starting from the courses, let's see what is a VFX course, or what are the job descriptions and skills and responsibility. So VFX artists, they use software to create animation and special effect. We know they typically work on movies, television shows and video games. This position is usually offered full-time or part-time positions. Now, since they use computer software, VFX artists work in an office environment, but they may also work at filming location to help shoot scenes, and they may have to travel frequently for the job. So to ensure maximum visual quality, they work closely with engineering and designing teams. So this career is well suited for those who have a knack for visual designs, those who have visual intelligence, creative skills. Let's see what are the duties and responsibility of VFX artist. Since it's a creative job, so no two VFX artists are exactly alike, as the specific skills may vary from employer to employer. But there are certain job responsibilities which are common. For example, number one is VFX artists, they create motion graphics and animations. Using software, VFX artists create visually engaging motion graphics and animations. So this sometimes required working with 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional models, and the animations and graphics they create is stylistically consistent and enhance the visual style of the work. And it is an ever-growing creative work. So they create visual effects. They create realistic visual effects using particles, animations, sprites, materials, and more. VFX artists, they operate camera, lights, and microphone. So VFX artists operate the media tools, and they use microphones to shoot videos and record audios. They collaborate with engineers and designers, so that it's not only the work of a VFX artist, they need to work in teams. So teamwork is one of the skill. Ensure projects stay within budget. VFX artists also keep things in finances. They ensure their work, they operate, and they are under the company's budgets. So one of the requirement is to understand the finances. Now, what are the qualifications, skills? As we know that VFX artists have proven the ability to create visual effects, so they need to have eye for visuals and arts. Employers usually prefer VFX artists to have a degree in graphic arts or similar field. Now, what else is required? They required animation experience. So VFX artists have an eye for engaging visuals and have experience creating high quality images. They understand motion, they understand animation, scaling, and timing. Video production. VFX artists understand the technical aspects of video production, such as staging, sound, and lighting. Computer proficiency. VFX artists need to be comfortable using computer tools and software to create visual effects or to enhance their work. Communication skills. Working with the other team members, they require strong communication and collaboration skills. VFX artists discuss needs for projects and work with others to ensure goals are met, and the final product is satisfactory. Time management skills. VFX artists juggle deadlines and projects. Their time management skills help them to maintain a clear and consistent schedule. Now, VFX artists are familiar with the following tools like Adobe software, After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. VFX artist education and training. The VFX courses are actually divided into three categories. We have certificate courses, diploma courses, and degree courses. For certificate and diploma courses, one requires class 10th, and they can do VFX course after class 10th. So minimum eligibility for certificate and diploma courses. But for degree courses, the eligibility criteria is 10+2 from any stream. They require 60% of marks, and most of the colleges, they take direct admission as well. What is there in VFX courses? Now let's see. VFX courses are certificate courses which are VFX Plus by MAC, VFX in filmmaking and by Arena Animation, Advanced Program in Visual Effects. All these are certificate courses, and they have a duration of 2 months to 6 months, and some of them have 1.5 to 2 years. Then comes VFX diploma courses, where they have diploma in VFX, diploma in 3D animation and VFX, and the duration for these courses are again 2 years. And coming to VFX degree courses are BSc in animation, Bachelors of Arts in Visual Effects, BSc in animation and VFX, Bachelors in Visual Effects, Masters of Arts in Animation and VFX. All the degree courses are of 3 years duration. Now the course fee in India, it varies from college to college. Usually starts with 50,000 rupees, and it may go up to 2.5 lakh per annum. Now, the syllabus that includes VFX courses, they have few common topics like digital design, 3D designing, match moving and camera tracking, basics of photography, concepts of set extensions, computer graphics integration, advanced paint techniques, and animation. There are many online VFX courses also. Apart from these classroom courses, the benefit of VFX online courses are that it offers knowledge of VFX course online free, and which is also accessible easily to any student sitting at any place. Apart from this, the other benefit is launch of special VFX online course for beginners, help students to learn better and go forward for adopting any advanced VFX course like professional VFX course, superior VFX course, 3D VFX course, animation and VFX course, film VFX course, or VFX designer course. There are many colleges available in India, and almost every city has VFX course in India, but the topmost colleges are Zee Institute of Creative Arts, Indore, Times and Trends Academy, Pune. Pune has maximum top course colleges. Then we have VFX School, Bombay, Mumbai, Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics, Arena Animation, Mumbai, then IFA Multimedia, Bangalore. Then we have Underworld Institute of Design, Karnavati University. Chandigarh University also offer degree courses. Now NSHM Knowledge Campus, Kolkata, and lovely professional university. Now let's learn what is the scope of VFX course. Being well versed in VFX skills opens a wide variety of job opportunities such as accessory designer, animator, lighting artist, compositor, texture artist, environment builder, production design, matte painter, modeling artist, production assistants, VFX director, roto artist, weapon designer, match move artist, VFX supervisor, VFX team lead. Now let's learn salary for VFX artist. It can vary, salary can vary from 15,000 per month to 50,000 per month depending upon the skill. So it can vary from 2.5 to 4.5 lakh per annum. Candidates with experience can also earn up to 10 lakhs per annum. So you can see that it is the most promising path for people having artistic and visual intelligence and those who are creative and innovative. VFX work can be very demanding in terms of work duration, and it takes lots of patience to sit through it and to finish the project. So there are many centers available for learning VFX abroad, just like Think Tank Training Center. World-class VFX training and mentorship is done by industrial professional, and this is present in Canada. Then FX Animation Barcelona 3D and Film School, where one can learn and discover one of the most progressive city or where this program is offered and has the fastest growing professional courses. Then Art FX School, which is created by professionals of the film and video game industries. Now before joining VFX, you need to learn why would you want to work in visual effects. Maybe because it's a career that involves a perfect mix of storytelling, cutting edge technology and creativity. It could also be because you love films and want to hang out on set surrounded by movie stars. Maybe you want a career that allows you to travel the world or even work remotely from home. Or maybe it's because you love drawing and building things with your hands and on computer. There are so many reasons why would you want to work in visual effects industry. And there are dozen possible career paths open to you across multiple industries. So all the best for those who want to pursue career in VFX. Thank you.